is where my soul is. Now I know where my home is.
Finding out how much Lauren and I loved nature and being outside was one of the first things we bonded over.
We both popped out of the womb loving nature, and I'm so glad I have my best friend to celebrate it with.
So many creatures,
so many things.
Each wondrous object is beautiful and striking.
And I see nothing that isn't to my liking here in the world.
And then we came to Ball State.
There's mice and gooses.
It's pronounced geese.
So cute and scary and utterly inviting.
I find the foxes especially exciting here in Muncie.
Since being in Muncie these past 4 years, we've noticed many natural injustices and fierce showings of the circle of life.
Whilst doing character research for my role as Sandy Cheeks in the SpongeBob musical, I noticed a hawk in a grassy area and thought it was such a cool, up-close thing to witness.
Wrong! A squirrel, whomst we named Jenny, was being pierced and pinned down by the hawk's talons.
We were in our car screaming the entire time, watching the crime go down.
The hawk flew away with Jenny's dead body and claw.
And her squirrel friend had to watch the entire thing from a neighboring tree. I cried for an hour after that.
And we haven't been the same ever since.
So many creatures.
So many fears.
Each squirrel and robin is utterly in danger.
Each day I live here, the animals get stranger. Here in Muncie. The next case we would like to discuss, is it all right if I say his name?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. I'd like to tell you all about Bennett.
It doesn't get easier, does it?
Bennett was a bird named after Michael Bennett, the incomparable choreographer of A Chorus Line,
Dreamgirls, Follies, and many other pieces.
Yes, Olivia. He was an esteemed bird and an incredible choreographer.
One day we were getting ready for class, and we heard a huge thud on the window. The feathers stuck to the glass weren't a good omen.
We went outside and covered him up with leaves on our way to class, only to come home to a mauled pile of feathers.
Bennett loved big and loved hard. And we want to dedicate the rest of our lives to Bennett and live every day to the fullest.
In his memory.
He was a bird, he couldn't fly away.
Now, Bennett didn't get to fly away from Ball State, but as seniors, we are about to.
We too are about to leave the nest. And if Bennett has taught me anything in my last 4 years here, it's that we fly, and we should fly for as long as we can.